Let's walk through setting up a subscription group with an opt-in consent method in your email marketing templates. This subscription group will group users who have opted into receiving your marketing messages and allow them to unsubscribe. Depending on where your users live, you'll have different legal minimum requirements when it comes to whether you choose an opt-in or opt-out consent method. For example, GDPR in Europe and CASL in Canada require opt-in consent for marketing emails, while CAN-SPAM in the US only requires opt-out consent, although we still recommend using opt-in for marketing emails sent to US users. It ensures your users explicitly want to receive your email. So from your dashboard, click the Subscription Groups tab, then click Create Subscription Group. Give it a name, like your company name, and the channel your user signed up for. Let's put email. Click Create. Now by default, opt-out is selected, which will include all users in your workspace unless they unsubscribe. Let's turn on opt-in and hit save. If you check out the users tab in your new group, there are no users yet. That's because with opt-in groups, you'll need to add and remove users either manually via CSV or programmatically via track events. Check out the Dittofeed documentation for instructions on how to do both. For now, let's move on to adding an unsubscribe link to an email template. So head to the Message Templates tab and create a new email template. I'll name this Dittofeed Test Template. Let's look at adding the link to a low-code template. Click Create. Delete the test copy, / into the command palette, start typing unsubscribe, select the unsubscribe link, and publish your template. Now let's head to Journeys, create a new journey, drag in a message node, then edit the node settings to use the subscription group you just created. You can also choose the template you just created. With a code template, this process has one minor difference. Let's take a look. Go to Message Templates, create template, name it, and select code. In this test template, we're going to Command F and search for unsubscribe. As you can see, by using this curly bracket and % syntax here with unsubscribe_link, you can inject an unsubscribe link into your email template, which will then be rendered as a link in your emails. Here's the unsubscribe link being rendered. I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.